Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen table. It's time for math. You're gonna need your math chubby book and your workbook. Okay, we're gonna start in the chubby book. Please open your book up to page 453. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Okay, ready to roll. Now, we talked about fractions before, and they're asking us, write the fraction for the colored part of each whole. Well, we talked about this the other day. When we talk about a fraction, the denominator tells you how many equal parts there are altogether. That's your bottom. The top part, the numerator, tells you how many parts are being used. Colored, eaten, whatever we're doing to them, being used. That's your numerator. Look at number 2. I always want you to put your denominator first. I want you to count your number of pieces and put that down first. So if you look at number 2, there are 4 pieces altogether. Okay, now since, how many of them are colored? You're right, 3. So that's our numerator. So that fraction is 3/4. Okay, look at number 2. Sorry, number 3. Once again, count your whole pieces first, all right? We have 8 pieces all together. Now we need to count how many of those are colored. 1, 2, 3. So that fraction equals 3/8. Okay, you're going to continue that on page 453, and then I want you to go over to page 454. Now, on 454, they're giving us a picture, okay? And then they're telling you once again which part of it is colored. So I'm looking at number 15. There are 9 pieces altogether. So 9 is my denominator. And how many of those are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, exactly. 6/9. So you're doing the same thing on the next page. Let's just go down and look at the word problem. The board for a game has 9 squares. All right, so they're telling us it has 9 squares. So would that be my numerator or would that be my denominator? Well, 9 is the total number, so that's going to be my denominator, okay? 5 of them are red, the rest are yellow. What fraction of the board is yellow? All right, well, if 5 of them are red, how many did that leave for us to use as yellow? Right, 4. So 4/9 of them are yellow. Okay, good. All right, now flip your book because we're going to look at the next part together. And I'm going to give you some directions. You need to work on this, okay? Number 1, it says, choose the fraction for the part colored. Number 1, fill in the circle. Number 2, same thing. Choose the fraction for the part colored. Fill in your circle. Okay, number 3, look at those fractions and you have to say which one is larger. So which sign are you going to put in to make that a true statement? Is 1/5 less than 1/8? Is it equal to 1/8 or is it greater than? And look at the fraction strips. They give you right there to use. All right, number 5. Which of those figures shows 1/4 colored? Good. All right, number 5. Choose the fraction for the colored part of that figure. Number 6. Choose the fraction for the colored part again. Okay, and number 7, we're going to compare the fractions using the fraction strips. Okay, and number 8 is what fraction of that picture is colored. Now you're going to go ahead and finish page 456 on your own and then send me those 2 pictures as your exit card. That's going to be a quiz, as well as workbook page 130. Okay guys, see you later.